I love you too, guys, from Pretoria. I get also love Pretoria. Wa body willing. Guys, I want to post a video when Dineo was my groupie. Oh, man. But I must say, but these girls, don't be pressured, eh? Don't be pressured. Don't run your own race. Run your own race too. I don't have a problem with girls doing hookups. But don't come here and sell and look down on people. And you guys, the way I'm so. Don't come here and look down on people and when I feel yes, when I don't. Don't. Who's buying more designer? Who's what? Yes. Okay. I don't know, man. I want to touch on this girl. Guys, my eye. I recommend this girl. There's this girl. Okay. Who should I block? I don't want anyone talking nonsense here. So, what happened to that friendship? Sitelo, the